princess. Bihon. Pero nag-drawing pa siya. What's that, princess?
You.
Huh? Mami or princess?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
You draw my face?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Eat ka muna, eat. Eat ka. Help yourself, princess. Princess, eat ka.
I
Eat.
love chicken in here. I love
Pork yan ang halo niya, pork. Yummy yan. Wow, so nice.
Yeah, I like earrings. I have earrings here. It's you, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
I make Dora.
Mm-hmm. Eat ka muna. Eat ka muna. Mag-isni pero mag-study pa. Princess, save yourself. Feed yourself, my love. Princess, eat ka muna, love-love.
I make Dora, Ma.
Nagatan ka ng dukot, yun, mahal. Lami. Eat ka muna. Eat, sige na, eat na. Eat ka na. My love. Eat ka na ba? Eat ka na.
I make Dora.
Eat ka na.
Dora, Ma.
Eat ka first. Eat ka muna.
Dora.
Wow! Ang galing mo mag-drawing, my love. I love your drawing.
You miss my makeup Tisa? No. Yes, this sure. Pink one. Sure?
You use the Ate
Sure.
the pink one, you use down. Kakit niya.
Sure.
You use my makeup Ate Isa, the pink one.
Sure.
The pink one, sure? And did you use my ano? Sure daw. Gi-use daw ni ate yung kanyang
Okay,
makeup.
I'm galit.
Ah, galit ka na. Kailan yung magdura na ako? Nakawag ka ng anak. Dukot.
Mommy.
Yeah, but you need to eat, love.
Uh-uh.
Help yourself, my love. Oh, okay.
Mom. You have churches.
Yeah, like a Dora. Okay.
I just Dora.
Princess, eat princess pa. Help yourself, my love. Muna iyahan, no? Magkain, no? Mag-drawing pa talaga. Hindi yan mawala ang kanyang drawing. Ang galing niya mag-drawing.
Ma,
Kung di ko
Dora is Wigo,
pag nga maporma yan, pag wala akong
Ma,
nakopyahan.
Dora is Wigo, Mom.
Oh, it's Lego.
Yes.
Dora, Lego in the... Wait lang. Princess, eat ka ba? Love, eat ka sa... Yummy ni Love. May pork to, Love. Bihon with pork. Lami yan.
Dora is happy. Red.
Nag-aabang. Ay,
Mama, doya, finish na ligo.
Ito na.
I love my teacher there.
Hmm.
Teacher.
Hmm. Maangin laptop taga bat. Bat taga ni karang ya. Ini kita tempat mana ya karang. Princess, ka-video ka dito. Sige, maldita dyan. Eat ka, kita ka ni teacher, hindi ka nag-eat. Teacher, si Princess, wala sa nag-eat. Sige, sa drawing.
Go flower.
Ito si teacher mamaya.
Now go flower.
Teacher, nag-watching si teacher. Sabi niya, bakit hindi nag-eat si Princess? Princess,
Now go flower.
flower na naman. Ano iyahan, no? Pag mag-eat na, nadyo na kayang drawing. Ti-drawing. Flower na naman.
Before ako flower, ma.
Okay, go.
Ano, friend, guys? Fly, more.
Ito na.
Yes.
Okay, open your mouth. Good.